If you're a guy over 50 and you're working out all the time and you're looking to increase your muscular strength, your muscle size, you may want to consider taking creatine monohydrate. It's one of the only supplements that truly do work. And let me explain to you like the science why creatine works so well. See, all muscle contraction is fueled by ATP, adenosine triphosphate. And about 5 to 7 seconds of ATP is actually stored directly in the muscle. So for example, you can lift something like really heavy, say up off the ground. Within 5 to 7 seconds, you're going to use up the ATP that's stored within the muscle. But say you're exercising for longer than that. After you use up that ATP, you're left with ADP, adenosine diphosphate. And that's when you go into the creatine phase. So for example, creatine is also stored in the muscle. So ADP grabs a phosphate molecule from creatine to make ATP. That's kind of like your second energy system. And that can last anywhere between, say, 10 to 30 seconds. But if you take a creatine supplement, you can actually store more creatine within the muscle and you can make ATP easier. So for example, it's going to increase your strength, right? For example, say you're running as fast as you can, you may be able to maintain top speed for longer. It's been studied so well, it really does work. Plus, the more creatine you store in the muscle, the more water you're going to hold in the muscle. It's not that you're going to get bloated, but you're actually going to look more muscular from having more water stored directly in the muscle cell itself. That's why people look more muscular instantly from taking creatine. And there's very little side effects. Maybe some people, if you take too much of it, can have like a little bit of stomach issues. But I don't even think you have to load. Like typically what they would say is that you want to take like 10 to 20 grams a day for 4 or 5 days. You know, load up, max out your creatine stores. But that can upset your stomach. I find that if you just take 5 grams a day, within about a week or two, you're going to be full and you're instantly going to be stronger. You're going to be 5-10% stronger right away. So take it easy in the gym. It's almost shocking how well and how effective it works. Give it a try. Creatine monohydrate by a good quality brand. I like this brand, but there's so many good brands out there. Check it out. It's definitely going to help.